Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually something that was requested by a viewer. Name is Jen Cutepick. I hope I said that right. And she basically asked me how to fix your headphones right here when one side stops working. There are several ways you can fix it, and I'm just going to get straight to the point. I'll make this really quick for everybody. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that they're both actually charged. So if you take a look at one of these headphones, they actually have a writing on them to tell you what side they go to in the charger. And a common mistake I used to make was I used to put them on the wrong side, which means they weren't charging. Even though they do fit in the case, they won't charge if you put them on the wrong side. So if you open up the case, you see here's L for left, and R for right. So we're going to put them each on the right side. So right and then left. So I put them on the right side and I'm going to close them. So these two white lights actually don't mean that the headphones are charging. This is just the battery life for the actual case itself. The actual battery indicator for the headphones themselves are two blue lights that show up on this side and this side. So when these two sides light up blue, that means they're charging. If they're not, that means the battery is either full or you put them on the wrong side. So for my case, since I did put them on the right side, no blue light are indicating, so that means they're fully charged. So that's one way to fix them. Just one quick charge will, solve all your problems. Another thing that could happen is that it's just an issue with the Bluetooth. So the first thing you want to do is take a look at your headphones. So you see right now they're flashing this white color. So that means they're actually connected to a device. So whenever these are flashing white, that means they're paired to something in your house. The first thing you want to do is just go to anything you've paired that's close by or in your room and disconnect these headphones from there. And you don't want to press disconnect, you just want to forget them altogether from your whatever device you're using. So I'll show you on my iPhone. We're going to go to settings and then we're going to click Bluetooth. And you can see they're right here, JLab, JBud's ear icon. And we're going to click that. And we're going to click the eye here in the corner. So when we click that eye, it gives you two options. You either disconnect it, which won't remove the information from your phone. It just disconnect it until you connect it again. But you're going to press forget from this device, which means it'll erase it completely from your device. And we're going to press forget. Did I press forget? Forget. Okay, so now it's forgotten and it's going to show up down here under other devices. So if you look at your headphones, what you're going to see is they're going to stop glowing this white light and they're going to start flashing right there this blue and white color, which means they're looking for a device. So when that happens, make sure you put them in your case in the right spot and close it. When you close it, make sure you connect this Bluetooth charging port to a computer or whatever you're using to charge these headphones. So connect this to your computer and leave it there for like, I'm going to say 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, what you're going to do is you're going to open this up. Oh, there's the blue light. So the left side is charging and that's telling you that, the battery was a little bit low. So anyways, after you remove it from whatever you're charging it at, what you're going to do is open it up and you see it immediately starts looking for another device. Go back on your phone or whatever you want to use. Right here, you see it's glowing blue and white, and press that. So we're going to connect it back to your phone and pair it. Oh, okay, cool. So you see that it's already connected and it should be good to go. There should be no issues at all and your music should play. I actually can't play any music due to copyright reasons. Sorry about that, guys. So What's going to happen now, you see it went back to the white lights and everything should work fine. But if you connect it to your phone and the other side still isn't working, you see this JLAP part pattern on here? These are actually touch sensitive. And even if you have headphones that are not, don't have the touch sensitive one that have the button you can press, what you want to do is just put on whatever song you want to listen to, and whatever side doesn't work, just hold down or press your finger on the side that isn't working on the button or the touch sensitive side, and just hold it for like 10 seconds, and usually it'll take it a little bit and it will connect back and get back in sync with the other headphone and work for you. So remember, put whatever song you want to listen to. If it still isn't working, whatever side doesn't work, find the side that's a button or touch sensitive and press it down and hold it for like 30 seconds, and eventually it will cut on. The reason why I ask you to put music is because if you do that and actually connects, you won't know until you actually start playing a song. But if you're already playing a song, the song will cut on the side that's not working. So that's the fastest way for you to know. And that's it. If it doesn't work, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll look into it one more time. But that usually always works for me. All right, thank you.